Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Workspace views in Trello step by step. Workspace views allow you to see information from multiple boards in one place, helping you manage projects and track progress more efficiently. So let's get started. First, open Trello in your web browser and sign into your account. Once you're on your Trello homepage, select the workspace you want to work with. After opening the workspace, look for the Views section near the top of the page. Depending on your Trello plan, you may see options such as Table, Calendar, Dashboard, Timeline, Map, or other workspace views. Click on the view you want to use. For example, if you select Table View, you'll see cards from multiple boards displayed in a spreadsheet-style layout. This makes it easy to sort, filter, and manage tasks across your workspace. If you choose Calendar View, all cards with due dates will appear on a calendar, allowing you to track deadlines and upcoming tasks. Timeline View helps you visualize projects over time, making it easier to plan schedules and identify overlapping work. Dashboard View provides charts and statistics about your workspace activity, helping you monitor project progress. You can also use filters to display specific cards, members, labels, due dates, or boards. To do this, click the Filter option and select the criteria you want to apply. As you switch between different workspace views, Trello automatically updates the display while keeping all of your board data synchronized. Keep in mind that some workspace views may be available on certain Trello plans. If a view is unavailable, Trello may prompt you to upgrade your plan. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use workspace views in Trello. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Trello tutorials and productivity tips. See you in the next video.